Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So I'm here today at Cars and Coffee Palm Beach, and I am extremely late. So the show starts at 8, ends at 12, and it's almost 11, and I just got here. Yeah, I kind of overslept. But that's okay, because there's still a lot of cars here. It's going to take a long time for all of these cars to roll out. So, well, there's a couple of nice cars here that I want to check out. The Senna, well, I saw that yesterday at the toy rally, but the Senna's here. And the Aventador SVJ, there's one here on display, so let's go check it out. All right, what do we have today? We got the R32. Oh, here's SFL 240SX again. Very nice. And, oh, nice, check this out, LS swap. And the LS engine just fits like so nicely in the engine bay. There's still room on the side for working on it. Maybe I should have LS swapped my 240, I don't know. Would have been nice, but it's time to move on. What else we got? Oh, R34, okay. Let's see, right-hand drive. We got the stock seats there. Real nice. Hey, carbon fiber wing. Oh, it's a V-spec, even better. Look at that. 6-speed manual. What is it, a fully built RB?
No.
No? Right. Built RB?
It's a fucking V-spec, dude.
It's a V-spec? So how much power do the V-specs have?
You know what? It's a smile from ear to ear, that's how much.
Very nice, my friend. Yeah? Huh?
Oh, I ain't done yet.
To get it import. Or to get it imported.
That's a bitch. I did
like that lip. If you don't mind me asking.
Oh, thanks, man. That'll take a little while. We got an R32 here. Another R34. This one's not a GTR, but it's still pretty nice. Looks like the engine's been modified. And take a look at this 240. I think this is the... Can't remember what body kit this is. It's like a wide body kit. Kind of looks like a rocket bunny, maybe. Look at that. D-Max style hood. What else we have? Sparco F200 seats. The bezel is falling off. This is probably a drift car. Let's see. Fire extinguisher behind you, which doesn't really seem to make sense because if you're on fire, you have to get out of the car to use it. But it's still pretty cool. It's a convertible drift car. What else is out here? What else is out here? We got a Noble M12 GTO. Okay. I didn't think I'd see one of these over here. Look at this, left-hand drive. You can't see a damn thing because of the glare. Wow. I mean, I know we have Rossians here, which are loosely based on Noble cars, but I think this is the real thing. This is straight up imported. That's pretty cool. And over here, oh, Supercar Week's coming on, and we got Neil's car. I guess it looks like he redid a lot of the wrap on it. There you go. This looks awesome. All right, good Bentley Bentayga. You got a drone up there. What's up, Bill? You know what? Let's go take a look. Let's go find this SVJ because I know it's around here somewhere. Oh yeah, there you go. So here it is. This is the SVJ. Okay. Let's say that that E-Class Coupe and the AMG GTR are having a fight. All right, let's check this thing out. Look at this. I might head over to Lamborghini Palm Beach after the event just to get a closer look at this car, because it's all stanchioned off and very limited here. There you go. Huge rear wing with the Allah system. Huh, interesting. It's different on this one. Oh, okay. Yeah, they changed how the all-out system works on this, on the Aventador. I guess it flows through the center. There you go. Italian flag in the middle. Huge side vents for cooling and other purposes. What else we got? We got these nostrils up here, which help for directing air up and over the car. I guess it's part of the all-out system. Really nice. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna check it out a little bit more at Lamborghini Palm Beach. Get a closer look at the car. And here we've got the Senna. Now I know I saw this at the toy rally yesterday, but here it is again. It's actually all stanchioned off. And I was talking to the organizers of Cars and Coffee Palm Beach. They actually had to take out an additional $2 million in insurance just to have this car on display. Because, you know, the Aventador SVJ and all these other cars, you know, they're pretty expensive, but this I think starts at like 2.3 million, I think. So, look at this incredible car. Here you can see the door open. Let's see if I can get over there and get an interior shot. All right, there's the interior. So the infotainment system is now floating. The transmission controls are at the bottom, and the ADP panel is just under the infotainment screen. The seats are fixed carbon fiber buckets. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. They actually lowered the carbon monocoque, so it's a little easier to get in and out. All right. So this is owned by Bobby over at ECJ Lux. It's a jewelry store on in Meisner Park in that mall. There you go. I gotta find him. Ask him if he's gonna take it to the track or sometime. All right, time for some food. We're here at the Waffle Wagon. Just ordered the. What was that I ordered? The honey butter chicken sliders.
Sorry?
What was it that I ordered? The honey butter chicken sliders? Yeah. Sounds like fun. I got like an extra waffle too. This place is awesome. If you're ever here, you gotta try this place. All right, while I wait for some food, let's check out this S2000. So no hood. They painted the engine bay brown. Kind of like it. I feel like that filter is a little too small for this engine. I mean, it might be the appropriate size, but I just feel like it should be like a tiny bit bigger. I don't know. But it looks cool. Got the splitter down there. Got some cool wheels. Let's see. He loves driving slow. Why do you have an S2000? S2000 is driving fast. Let's see, what do we got? Get the leather seats. Oh shit, it's right-hand drive. Look at that. Wasn't expecting that. Okay. It's got a roof mechanism. There you go. Really nice. What's surprising is that despite the fact that the S2000 is a bigger car and is heavier, it doesn't really have that much more space than Miata. It's always confused me. So, check this out. Over here, classic 911. Well, no, it's not a 911. Classic Porsche Carrera. So, I forgot. I think this is the Type 356. This is back before Porsche even made the 911, I think. This is one of their first cars. So, really cool fastback styling. Nice. Yeah, it's a cool little car. No seat belts. You're pretty much on your own. Check this thing out. They have this Mad Max machine. So this is actually based on a Corvette chassis. Look at that. It's got this. It's like a helmet from a suit of armor. Huge rear tires. Man, how long? This must have taken a while to create. The exhaust is a snake bearing its fangs. Look at that. Yeah, well, it's a warm, long. This is pretty awesome. I mean, look at the tow rig that's towing it. It's just badass all the way through. Here, you get a better look at it. Look at this. supercharged V8. I don't know if any of this. I don't know if any of this is made to handle some speed. It'd actually be really cool if they went the extra mile to make it handle some power too. Look at this thing. Holy crap. And it's street registered. Look at that. Well, it's still a Corvette. It's just all hacked up and changed. All right, food's here. Holy crap, this is awesome, but we need to make one minor change. Look at this thing. Crazy, right? So which side is the front of the car? Believe it or not, these are two cars welded together. Look at that. You got one steering wheel, there's the other steering wheel. I never thought I'd see something like this.
It's a mirror image car. That is pretty cool.
Look at this thing. Yeah, turning radius. He's driving sideways. This is freaking nuts. On the subject of ridiculous cars, look at this thing. So this M3, I want to check on the color of this M3. I want to see if it's the color I think it is. Hey bro, is this color Phoenix Yellow?
Yes.
This is Phoenix Yellow?
Yes.
You know I've never seen a Phoenix Yellow M3.
Now you have.
Now I have. Now I have. Holy crap. It's a really unique color. There you go. The bad news is it's 11:45 and the show's almost over. The good news is that I still capped a decent amount of content. There was some good cars. Got to see the SVJ and the Senna again. So you guys keep capping some cars, see what I can find. Holy crap! This thing is ridiculous. I don't see a plate on it, but I think he's driving this on the street. This is ridiculous. Holy crap! This is loud! Wait a second. It's got a license plate! What the hell? Holy crap. This is ridiculous. Look at this supercharger on this thing. And this one too. I think this is a pro street class. So all of the cars are actually street legal. They have headlights and everything. And this one's T-tops. Frank, are you going to start it? Are you going to start it, Frank?
On my radio.
There we go. He's going to do it. Legs in. All right. Here we go. Everybody's good and ready. Look at this guy. Start it up. I think he's messing with us. confidence in your equipment. That's the SVJ. Here, I think they changed the lights a little bit. This must be a European model because he's got the orange in the light there. All right, dual exhaust in the rear. Everything's all opened up too. Surprisingly, there's no forged carbon. It's all regular carbon. Maybe the designers weren't fans of it, or maybe it was something they wanted to reserve for the Performante right now. That's it. All right, boys and girls, that's it for today. Event's completely over. Everybody's left and gone home for the day. So it's actually 1 p.m. I stayed quite a bit longer than I thought I would. So I'm gonna head home myself, edit some of this video, and I'll catch you guys later. So be sure to like, subscribe, and if you need anything, check out finishlinefactory.com. See you guys. Bye.